This is Robbie with robbiesweb.com, and I'm here to kind of show you my little experiment with the Raspberry Pi using the version 2 Pi camera that I got from Adafruit. I also got one from Fry's because the first Adafruit one didn't work for some reason. But in the meantime, while they were sending me a replacement, I picked one up at Fry's and it worked fine and tested with it. So now I have two working cameras. I've got one here and then one mounted there. You know, it's kind of crude, but it works. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all some things, show you working. What I've done here is I made me a little scripts, a couple of scripts with some bash scripts that for the pictures, so it puts a date so that it makes it, instead of copying over the same file, picture file, I made it with the date so that it makes a new one every time. So anyway, so if this is what the HDMI screen here is a touch screen. It's not perfect, but it works. And I made little scripts on the desktop so that it's a desktop entry. If you'll see here, I'll right click on it. It's real bright. Here, I'll do it on my screen where I've got it up. Okay, so I've made little scripts on here where, let me show you this right quick. Let me get off of that. A desktop entry script where it runs, if I click on it, it runs my bash script here I have. Okay, so anyway, I made that where, and you know, I've got a little, it's not a great pic, but it's one of what looks like a camera to take pictures. Okay, so I'll close this. Anyway, so if I run that, if I click on that, here shows the preview, taking the picture, and it took a picture. So if I go to where I've mounted, what I did, I've left this part out. Okay, so I mounted a little, I don't know if you can see that. It's a little flash drive, USB flash drive, so that I can, when I take pictures and video with the camera, I can take them off of the Pi and use them on my Windows computer or whatever else and transfer them, the pics, just like if you were using an SD card on a regular digital camera. You could take the SD card out and place it. I apologize for my shaky video. I'm not real great at this. Anyway, so if you go to the flash drive I've mounted here, and I'll just, so you can see it here. All right. Photos, and you go to the last one. See, I've got a date stamped there, and there's the picture I took a while ago. And you know, it's a little fuzzy because it's a little close, but it works. Okay. All right. So you see how that works. Now, if I want to take video, it shows, there's the, move it back some. So hello, let's see my hands. Here's my little alien dancing. I've come to take your stuff. Oh wait, I don't know what I'm saying. How about some Marvin the Martian? You took my PQ-36 space modulator, now I can't blow up the Earth. Okay, so that's a lame Marvin. Anyway, so I've set this thing to run indefinite video. So let me shut that off real quick. Pause. Who's the pause button? Pause.